Welcome to AI Pulse Daily, your trusted source for the most exciting, game-changing, and thought-provoking news in the world of artificial intelligence. I'm your host, and today we begin our journey into the revolution that is already reshaping everything we know about work, creativity, and human life itself. The AI revolution is not coming in the future, it's happening right now, all around us. Just think about it for a moment. Every time you unlock your phone with your face, every time you ask a voice assistant a question, or every time you scroll through social media and see posts you didn't even know you wanted, artificial intelligence is at work. It's predicting, learning, and adapting. It's learning from your habits, your preferences, and your world. And in the last 2 years, the speed of AI development has skyrocketed beyond anything experts predicted. Today, we are living in the most rapid technological shift in human history. OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, and Meta, 4 of the biggest names in technology, are racing to build the most powerful and most human-like AI systems ever created. Each new release pushes the boundaries of what machines can understand, reason, and create. OpenAI recently unveiled a major upgrade to its GPT models, capable of processing not just text, but images, videos, and even emotions. Imagine an AI that can look at a photo and understand the mood, the context, and even the hidden story behind it. This is no longer science fiction, it's already here. Developers are using these tools to transform how we learn, work, and create. Teachers are introducing AI tutors that personalize lessons for every student. Businesses are using AI to generate marketing content, analyze global data trends, and predict consumer behavior. In hospitals, AI is reading medical scans faster than human doctors, detecting diseases in seconds that might otherwise go unnoticed. These breakthroughs aren't just improving efficiency, they're saving lives. But while the progress is breathtaking, it's also raising serious questions. As AI becomes more advanced, who controls it? Who owns the data it learns from? And what happens to millions of jobs that AI could replace? Governments are beginning to take notice. The European Union has already passed the world's first AI Act, a historic step toward regulating artificial intelligence to ensure transparency, safety, and accountability. This law requires companies to reveal when content is generated by AI and to ensure that AI models are trained ethically. Meanwhile, countries like the United States, China, and Japan are developing their own guidelines as they try to strike a balance between innovation and protection. Across the tech world, the competition is heating up. Google's Gemini, a direct rival to OpenAI, is now capable of understanding video content. It can analyze a clip, recognize faces, identify objects, and summarize what's happening, all in real time. Imagine your AI assistant watching an entire video for you and giving you the highlights in seconds. That's not the future. That's already being tested. In the coming years, tools like Gemini and GPT will likely become deeply integrated into our devices. creating a world where your AI companion doesn't just answer your questions, it anticipates them. But AI isn't only about technology companies and governments. It's about creativity, imagination, and human potential. Across YouTube, filmmakers and content creators are using tools like Runway, Pika, and Sora to turn their ideas into reality. These platforms allow anyone to generate full cinematic scenes using only text prompts. You can describe a character, a setting, and an emotion, and AI will build it for you in minutes. What once required a Hollywood studio can now be done from a laptop. Musicians are using AI to compose songs, artists are designing virtual galleries, and storytellers are using AI to visualize entire worlds. The creative revolution has officially begun. At the same time, AI is quietly reshaping industries we don't even think about. In agriculture, it's helping farmers predict crop yields and detect plant diseases before they spread. In logistics, AI systems are managing traffic patterns to reduce fuel waste and speed up deliveries. In energy, AI is balancing power grids and helping wind and solar systems perform more efficiently. These invisible innovations are already making the world cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable. Medicine is another frontier where AI is changing lives every single day. Researchers are training algorithms to identify cancer cells earlier than human doctors ever could. AI models are designing new drugs in weeks that used to take years to develop. In hospitals, AI is optimizing patient care, predicting complications before they happen, and ensuring that doctors spend more time with patients and less time on paperwork. Every step of the way, AI is quietly making healthcare faster, safer, and more personalized. But every revolution comes with a cost. The rise of AI brings a wave of ethical and social challenges. Many experts warn that the same systems that make our lives easier can also be used to manipulate opinions, spread misinformation, or violate privacy. Deepfake videos, for example, can now create realistic footage of people saying or doing things they never did. As these technologies become more advanced, it becomes harder to tell what's real and what's artificial. The line between truth and illusion is beginning to blur. That's why public awareness is so important. Understanding how AI works and how it's being used gives us power, the power to question, to regulate, and to decide what kind of relationship we want to have with machines. Because make no mistake, AI is not just another invention like the smartphone or the internet. It's something bigger. It's a new form of intelligence that learns, evolves, and collaborates with us. And the collaboration can be beautiful. In classrooms, AI is helping children with learning disabilities understand complex subjects through personalized explanations. In developing countries, AI is translating languages instantly, allowing millions to access information and education that were once out of reach. In space exploration, AI systems are helping NASA analyze data from distant planets, searching for signs of life. Everywhere you look, AI is expanding human possibility. Yet, even as we celebrate these breakthroughs, a question lingers. What happens when AI becomes smarter than we are? Some scientists believe that moment called artificial general intelligence could arrive within the next decade. Others think it's still far away, but everyone agrees that when it does happen, it will change everything. Machines that can reason, imagine, and innovate on their own will force us to redefine what it means to be human. For now, the key is balance. Using AI to amplify our strengths, not replace them. Building systems that serve humanity, not control it. That's what the AI revolution is truly about, a partnership between humans and machines, where intelligence meets imagination. As we step deeper into this new world, one thing is certain. AI will be part of every conversation, every invention, and every decision that shapes our future. Whether it's in your phone, your home, your job, or your art. AI is becoming your invisible assistant, always learning, always adapting, always evolving. So, as this revolution unfolds, remember that the future is not just something that happens to us, it is something we create together. The choices we make today will decide what kind of world we live in tomorrow. Will AI make us more human, or will it make us forget what humanity means? The answer depends on us. This is the beginning of a new era. The AI revolution has begun, and it's rewriting the story of our world. Stay tuned, because tomorrow we explore how artificial intelligence is already shaping your everyday life in ways you probably don't even notice. From smart recommendations to predictive systems guiding your decisions, we'll uncover how AI is influencing your thoughts, your time, and your future. Thank you for watching AI Pulse Daily, where the future updates you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay informed, inspired, and ready for what's next. Because this is only the beginning, and the story of AI has just started.